Hello everyone, my name is Rahul. So let's see the access error that we get when we rerunning documents in test mode for an iPack process. So let's understand what is an iPack process and then how to rerun the documents in test mode of an iPack process and then the conclusion. So understanding iPack process, a process version that is existing in the parent account and that we release it to the sub account so that the users of the sub account can use that process without a need to access to the parent account. So in case of a document related error, in general, we do the rerun documents in test mode from the process reporting page, which should let us the document to be ran each step of the process in order to identify where exactly the root cause is and what type of data is causing this issue. So this would be a general approach in troubleshooting the document related error as we follow in order to isolate the root cause. However, we might end up getting this error, which is you do not have access to the component. For especially this happens in iPack process, and the the cause for this error is because the actual process XML file exists or resides in the parent account because it's not originally created in the sub account, but it was created in the parent account and then it is released to the sub account using the iPack. And this is an expected behavior as said because of the XML file that originally exists in the parent account but not in the sub account. And we may not be able to perform the rerun document um, in test mode functionality for an iPack process. And this is an expected behavior. Hope this information is helpful. Thank you.